Hi, welcome back to my channel. This time we're going to be looking inside an Atoll IN400. Just in case many of you in the North American market are not familiar with Atoll. Atoll is a French handmade hi-fi brand that kind of specializes on integrateds, but also do separates. Kind of really do some high quality work at price points that are usually reserved for mass produced and not for hand built. Sometimes going to do something I normally do not do in these look under the hood videos, but since many may not know much about Atoll in North America, it is very popular in, obviously its home country in France and throughout the European hi-fi community. But here are some specs on it. And there we go, there's some product highlights. Just did this a little bit different due to the fact that people may not be as familiar. Now here we have a volume control. It's going to work obviously like most volume controls will. Also, if you push in, it is the program. So you got your balance, light, which is very interesting because you can actually turn the light to a red around the perimeter of both knobs. Let me go back to that. Now you can switch it also off. This kind of a cool blue and a little bit more of an electric blue that's brighter. Also, over here we're going to have our lights, our input. We have DVD, tape, USB, because this thing does have a USB DAC on board. I'm told it does everything in the PCM domain, so all resolutions there. XLR, yes, this does have a balanced input, one set. Bypass, very interesting at this high quality component at this level, does still have a home theater bypass, which is a really nice feature for some of us that also have a home theater setup. Really cool, kind of a triangular shape to it. We come around the back side over here. There we have some very nice high quality binding posts. There's our XLR balanced in. Here we have all of our single-ended in, and there you see your USB in, so you can whether it comes from some other server or your laptop, you have a USB in. Once again, like in all my other videos, I have taken the time earlier to unscrew the top so we don't waste any time doing that. I'm going to lift the top out over here. I'm going to lay this aside and we're going to take a quick peek inside. First thing you're going to notice is it's got this dual mono layout where basically they mirror image on the output devices and the board itself. Now that's one serious transformer they've got here. I don't know if I can see any numbers on this or if there's any labeling on it. No, there isn't. There's no actual labeling that can be seen. But if we're going to look over here also, let me see if I can get a little more light in here. Maybe we can look at these look at these capacitors a little better. Yeah, that may help a little bit in there. There we go. I don't know if that helps the situation or not. We look around this way. Once again, we have all of our output devices over here. Output devices here. And actually, I did notice that there's also, very interesting enough, there is a thermal overload switch here to make sure you don't overheat it. I'm also told that this unit in particular in the line of Atoll the first 5 or so watts are pure class A, and then it goes class AB push pull after that. So very clean, very stable, all different types of loads. Once again, I'd like to thank Mick at Quintessence Audio for allowing me the opportunity to open up these units that many people around the world will not have the chance to do, to be able to look into them and get kind of a view that most people, unless you get a factory tour, do not get the ability to look inside of. And if you have any questions, or if you have any suggestions on something you'd like to see in these videos, please feel free to comment below. Otherwise, I would really appreciate a thumbs up and a like to my video. If you don't like my video, comment and tell me how I can improve. Please subscribe to my videos, because there will be more coming. I'm trying to do about 2 or 3 a week of different hi-fi gear. And suggest if there's something you particularly want to see, I'll see if I can get my hands on it. See if one of my local retailers around here will allow me to pop the top and give you a quick video tour. Thanks again.